Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Spotify playlist empty error. If your Spotify app is not working properly, such as being slow, freezing, or not playing music correctly, clearing the cache and updating the app can often resolve these issues. Regular maintenance helps ensure smooth performance and access to the latest features. Here's a step-by-step guide to fixing Spotify app issues on your mobile device. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are logged in or have signed up for an account. Then, tap on your profile at the top. Then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to find the Data Saving and Offline section. Here, you will see the Clear Cache option. After that, tap the Clear button to remove temporary files and free up space. After clearing the cache, go to the Google Play Store on your mobile phone. Use the search bar to look for the Spotify app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as updates often fix bugs and improve overall performance. Following these steps should help resolve the most common Spotify app issues. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.